Adding or deleting a deposit. Deposits from a customer can be used for things such as partial payments, a deposit for work to be performed, and paying for non-returnable parts. There are two common ways in MaxxTraxx to add deposits to a customer account: from an appointment, repair order, or parts invoice, or from the customer master record. First, we'll show you how to add a deposit from a repair order. The process for appointments or parts invoices is similar. At the service schedule screen, find and highlight the repair order you want to put the deposit on. There are two paths to add a deposit from there. The first way is to right-click with the repair order highlighted. This opens the tile for editing and reviewing the repair order. Find the button that says Deposit on Account and click on it. This opens the Deposits and Credits window. Then click the Add Deposit on Account button. The Deposit on Account window is where you will add the deposit information. Select the date, the amount of the deposit, the payment method, check number if applicable, and any notes to include. Click OK when you're done. At this point, you can print a copy for the customer or yourself if desired. For this example, we won't print. Back at the Deposits and Credits window, you can view the deposit and note it is applied to this repair order. To remove the deposit from being applied to this particular repair order, click the green check mark in the Apply box. This will put the deposit on account for the customer to use later. If there are multiple deposits, you can choose which ones to apply. You can also edit the amount of money from this deposit to apply to this repair order. When you are done, click Save to close the window. Now when you look at the repair order, you can see the deposit applied to the total bill. Notice on the opened repair order there's also a Deposit on Account button. This is the other way to add a deposit on a repair order and functions the same way as the Review tile. To add a deposit from the customer record, you can either go to the customer list and find the customer, or click on the name link in the repair order. Please note that clicking on the name link will not work when a repair order is in completed status. This is the customer master record window. You can either click on the Deposit on Account button, or click on the Customer Options button, then click on the Deposit on Account line. This opens the same Deposit on Account window. Add the deposit and other information and click OK when done. The difference when doing this action from the customer record is that you will not have the option of applying the deposit to the individual repair order. To apply this deposit to a repair order, go back to the repair order and click on the Deposit on Account button. When a customer has money on account not applied to a repair order or parts invoice, they can use all or part of that deposit to pay for a bill. When that repair order or parts invoice is being paid in cash drawer, you will see a red flag flashing that there is a credit available. If the customer wants to use that deposit credit, click the Use Credits for Payments box. This will open the same Deposits and Credits window that you have seen before. Click on Apply and notice the green check mark appear. From there, you can edit the amount to apply if desired. Click Save to apply those credits. Notice that the credit has been used on the bill and the customer now owes us the balance. Just close out the transaction like you normally would. There may be times you want to delete the customer deposit, say if the work was not performed or parts could not be purchased. If the deposit was applied to a particular repair order, you have to unapply it before the deposit can be deleted. Click on the Deposit on Account button from either the editing tile or the repair order. Find the deposit you wish to unapply and click on the green check mark. This will remove the dollar amount and deposit from the repair order. Click Save when you are finished unapplying the deposits. From either the editing tile or the repair order, click on the name link to access the customer master record. You can also go to the customer list in the Quick Picks or Customer drop-downs. Click on the Customer Options button, then view the AR Transactions line. This opens a window that shows the AR activity. Make sure the drop-down shows Opened Invoices and Credits. Find the deposit you wish to remove and click either the Delete or Void buttons. Deleting the deposit removes it from the system completely, like if the deposit was a mistake or put on the wrong customer account. Voiding it will leave the action in the AR history with no value, so you can have a record of it. You can view the history by changing the drop-down to reflect the current time period. This was a previous deposit that was voided rather than deleted. We hope you found the preceding video helpful. MaxxTraxx team members are readily available to provide personal assistance via several methods as shown here, Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for watching.